These are the D-core elevators at American Dream Mall. And never mind, A-core. D is on the complete other side of the mall at American Dream Mall in East Rutherford, New Jersey. These are Fujitec with MCE controllers. I'm joking. I'm alright. Whatever. The other one's coming anyway, so. I'd wait a little bit so they can get the elevator. Please don't stop on 2. You're shitting me. Load up. Come on. Go. Thank you.
This one is.
Thank you. Yep. Inspections open on this as well. I literally could have just used pass. Pass didn't really work.
So you do 3 or 2? All right.
Switch on ground. Oh, I just realized oh, fuck. There goes my brand new shoes. I'm joking. Alright, let's get the other one. This one's on 1. That's 2 chimes for up, so that's kind of not really ADA compliant. Three doesn't light up on the right panel as well. There are 3. We'll take this one for one more spin if nobody's up here. Yep, let's do it. These are kind of boring, but they're still fun to ride. I don't know how fast these are. But they go at a pretty good speed for 4 floors. They run very well. I'll go up to 3 and then end it at 2. I still haven't done a cab view yet, but these are all the same as the other ones. Adam's SurvivorPLUS buttons. End at 2. freights, the Fujitec freights have these as well. So all the elevators here, aside from the expansion and some of the stores which are custom, have Fujitec. The other freights I'm pretty sure are Kone. I haven't seen a freight that isn't Kone or Fujitec. Here. Let's get off. Let's ring the bell. Oh, it didn't work. That's over level.